So here's my water heater, and this is a PowerFlex, came from Lowe's. It's a 75 gallon water heater, high efficiency. And when I installed this, it was about 6 years ago, I put this in, and I didn't want to I ran the copper on this side on the intake. This is the cold water intake here. So cold's coming in on this side, going in, and then the hot's going out on that side. And so I ran the copper on the cold water feed, but then on the hot water side, I thought I'd take a shortcut here and just put this shark bite cable, or this braided flexible piping in, which runs out of the top, so the hot water's coming out here and heading off to the house right there. So so it was easy, it fit right in, very easy to finish. The shark bite goes right in here, and just tie this down. So what the problem is that inside this shark bite braided cable, there's rubber that is disintegrating in a combination from the chlorine that's in the water and the heat. And I'm not sure what else exactly, but from what I understand, the new tube, the new shark bite braided line has a different rubber, and hopefully it won't corrode. So this has been in for 6 years now, and it's been about a year that it's been coming and pouring black. So when the hot water runs, it goes up here, heads into the house, onward. So what I'm going to do is swap this out. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is turn off the main water feed to the house. I'm going to let the hot water drain. And also the cold water. Alright, so now, here we go. I'll take this one off to start with. Open. Okay, so you can see all this black stuff. All black coming out. Try to catch it here. It turns out that this shark bite is
Was it just mold?
apparently the shark bite rubber in the inside has a it disintegrates. So I have to figure out.
Is this a new one?
I have this new one right here. Now to put it back on, just got a little sandpaper. Just want to clean off any little scrapes I had. Any little scratches from the vice grips. Okay. Take off my old tape. Okay. All right, put on some new tape and that's going to go around 4 times. All right, that should do it. And I'm going to put on this end first. All right, bring that down nice and snug. And then we'll pop the shark bite on. That went all the way or not. Hope so. Seems to me like it goes on further, but easier way to do. Okay, now we're just going to turn everything back on. Let's get our water going. Back inside. Turn our water main back on. Okay, and we're just coming back and checking for leaks, and everything looks good. So we don't have any leaks. And that all looks like it's back to normal. We've got hot water running through the braided shark bite feed, and all nice and hot. And it looks good. I don't see any problems with it. So we'll test it out and see if we've got blackwater bits coming tomorrow. I think that's working.